Welcome to Creating Your Presentation Using PowerPoint by Ann Wood. And this is an example of how to do a presentation or how it would look in the end. Always allow your timing for your videos or your PowerPoint slides. Alright, this is another example of a listing. You always allow plenty of time to be able to read off of your list. Thank you for watching my presentation. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to create something like this. This took me about 5 to 10 minutes. And we are going to start with a new blank presentation so I can kind of show you what to do in the beginning, at the very beginning. Okay, so here we are. I'm going to change my layout. I need just precisely the title. I'm going to look for a design. You can scan through and see something else that you might want. I did have this. I like those. So I'm going to say, pretend that I'm having to present about taking care of animals. Okay, I'm going to leave that like that is. And I'm going to add another slide. And if you notice on insert, you can add it that way too. Okay, so this right here, I'm going to need another layout. I want to add a picture, a title, and a picture. So, things I need to take care of a pet. Okay, so I would like to add a picture. And we're going to work on our design in a minute. Alright, so I'm going to add a picture of a puppy that I already had saved. You can look online. Okay, make it a little bit bigger. Okay, so normally they have a different, more design ideas. It's not want to show up yet, so maybe it will. Okay, I'm going to let it think. So I want to look back on the pictures. Here's the pictures from my computer. You can look for some online, clip art, screenshot, photo album. Okay, so this right here, oh, they've got the green. Okay, I thought that was kind of cute. It's a little bit different from that. Let's see what it says on that one. So it says on that one. Okay, I had a blotch like that before. Okay, and so we want to move on and add another slide. I'm looking to see about making a list. Okay, so I need another layout. But I want something like that, like a comparison or to add. And you may not want to use all these titles or texts. So I'm going to say how to care for dog. And I'll center that. Notice I didn't have to highlight this to move it. You can move it over just by clicking those. And I'm just going to leave this alone. And I added, you can add numbers for your list or these bulletins. So I'm going to put take dog to the vet. And you might want to do buy dog food and so on. And then you can add as many slides as you would like by adding. You can simply move. So like if I wanted that one, if it'll go up, there it goes. If I wanted that one to be first, I can just move it up and down, up and down. Okay. So you can change these. So like this right here can be, I like the curtain for the beginning. Okay. And this right here, I might put, say I want the puppy to come back up here. Okay. So we're going to try that one. Okay. And we use the same for that one. You don't have to use any. All right. And we'll just, since I have this there, I'm going to go ahead and put something like this right here and say center it. And you can change the font however you like. Okay. So since this is already there, I'll go ahead and do this. That was a push-up, right? Yeah, same as those. Okay. So now we're going to do our timing. We're going to rehearse our timing, and it'll record it. Okay. Okay, I don't like that already. I messed up on it. Okay, so we're going to do this again. Okay. Okay, so you're going to allow 5 seconds or more. You need to keep in mind to read what's on your slide. And if you need it shorter, then you can make it shorter or longer, whatever you need. Things I need to take care of a pet. Make sure you have plenty of time to speak. All right, how to care for a dog, and so on. The end. Okay. So, we are going to have subtitles. All right, let's do this, and let's see how it turns out. All right. The subtitles has already started. It's going to say what I'm saying to you during the presentation. How to take care of animals. Things I need to take care of a pet. And if you need to, you can probably pause it or make it longer. And so on. Here's the words. All right, the end. All right. Well, I hope this helps you in your presentation. And like I said, it only took me about 5 to 10 minutes. Thank you, and have a great day.